telling me about the Wolven Code of Conduct. Mind-blowing stuff.
Thank you.
We've looked everywhere and haven't seen any...
Yep, that's wolves for you.
What are you?
Revenge.
It's him!
Huh? So, it was you. I can't believe you would help. They throw you some...
Enough! Yeah! You...
The Knights of Avo...
We did not raid.
What is this disturbance to which I awaken? This is no offering to Boreas. Not only do you come from my kind, so too do you fail to recognize your own transgression. I will not stand for such impertinence.
Rise with the sun! Pyroclastic surge! Can't hide the truth.
Wait, hear me.
Light of the blazing sun! Full throttle! The mystery unravels. Burn it down!
Please, calm.
It's just like he said. An outside wolf pack coming in and breaking the rule. But Razor, you must not get involved. This is for the wolves to settle between them. You fight not with claws, but with the sword. You strike not with teeth. You
I am not like them. I don't belong.
You are no wolf. This is a and you are Razor's Lupercal amongst humans. If you ever wish, you may train with me. I have nothing further to say. May
Hey, Razor, what's that look for? Why don't you come to this... Yeah, you're not...
I'm fine. Don't worry. But also, not wolf. Thank you, Traveler, Paimon, and other...
Hey,
Goodbye.